Oh hey, thank you for tuning in. Did you see that braid out? Oh my goodness, that braid out was perfection. So I'm gonna show you how I achieved it, and all I'm doing now is just prepping my hair by wetting it, detangling it, and then now I'm actually going to add product. I am going to use TreLuxe's Untie the Knot Leave-In Conditioner. If you want to know my first impressions on all of the products I am using today by TreLuxe, make sure to check the link down in the description box and you will hear all about it. So moving forward, I am using the Curl Supreme to layer that right on top. It definitely helps, keeps my curls nice and moisturized, but also defines them as well. And on top of that, I am actually going in with the gel. This gel has a lot of slip, which is what I love, and it's just going to help define my curls, but also give it that hold when I braid it. So I'm splitting that bottom section into 4 sections, and I am actually corn rolling it. Now, since I can't show you what that looks like, I'm just going to show you what the braided part looks like, and you'll see the final results in just a second. But I'm making sure that my braids are nice and tight and just curling the bottom. So I am splitting this front section in half and just picking it up and working with that middle section. Now that middle section is nice and big, but as you can see, this is what the braids look like. I did 4 in the bottom and 6 on the top. So to make this video go nice and quick, I am actually doing 6 corn rolls in this whole half section. As you can see, I have 3 going across one way and 3 going across the other way. Really simple. I kept my braids in for about 2 days before I decided to take them out. The top is a little frizzy, but it's okay because the braid out is what matters most. Take your time, use a little bit of oil. I like to use jojoba oil or something light. And just take your time taking the braids out. I'm really going slow, I'm not going super fast, and look at the definition. The longer you leave your braids in, the more definition you will have. I like to make sure that when my hair is braided, I keep my hair under a satin scarf, just to make sure that my braids are nice and laid. Now let me know down in the comments if you can relate to this, whether you do braids, whether you do twists. There's just always one that comes up out of nowhere. Anyways, the frizz, like I was talking about earlier, doesn't matter because you can definitely mask it with all the volume you create when you pick it. I embrace the frizz, so if I have it, I run with it. Now I'm just laying my edges with the same gel that I used. Overall, I really love this hairstyle. I love the volume that I achieved. I hope that you liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop some love, and leave a comment down below. Tell me if you've tried these products, if you love these products, if you're willing to. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.